What up everybody, it's Mike Shane, sixpackshortcuts.com. Today, we are gonna do a 10-minute workout challenge. We're gonna be working on some legs, working on some cardio. I was thinking about this today, I was like, man, let's do a good cardio workout. But usually we do a lot of cardio workouts to where we're just doing 4 rounds, 5 rounds, just trying to make it through. I thought we'd challenge ourselves a little bit today. And so we're gonna be doing the most amount of reps we can, and we're gonna do just 2 exercises. We're gonna do dumbbell front squats, and we're gonna do burpees. We're gonna do 10 reps of dumbbell front squats, 10 reps of burpees, and we're gonna keep repeating back and forth. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, for 10 minutes. This is the 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 workout. 10 minutes, 10 reps each, as many reps as you can, as many rounds as you can. The weight we're gonna be working with today is gonna be a 50-pound dumbbell on the front squats. So if you'd like, you can grab the same weight as me and see how many reps you can do. And if it's a little heavy for you or if it's a little light for you, you know, go up and down as needed. You want to do as many reps as you can. And guys, instead of watching this time and just seeing, man, this looks like a good workout, I'm gonna eat my fries. Screw that, man. Grab a dumbbell and let's do it together. Real time, 10 minutes, ain't no editing. We're just gonna run with it. We're gonna run with it, just 10 minutes, that's it. So if you don't got a dumbbell, that ain't no dang excuse. Go grab yourself something heavy. Go grab yourself a water jug. Grab yourself a backpack. For all you guys that don't know how to work out or beginners that want to find an easy workout, this will work your legs, this will do cardio, and there's not much learning curve on how to do it. This is all you do. Here's a dumbbell front squat. You hold it right here. And keep your chest out and you squat. That's it. That's it. There ain't much to it, okay? It's not much to it. The only thing is when your elbows come down, I want you to touch your knees, touch your legs with it. So this way you're coming all the way low, right? So you're not just doing this, okay? And that's about it. All right, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Got 10. Oh, saw that? Caught that. And 10. And the heart starts racing. Woo! I'm about to stop talking soon. Because I won't be able to talk and do this. Oh. Woo! 2 minutes in. If you're doing your workout, if you're doing cardio and you ain't breathing like this in 2.5 minutes in your cardio, something wrong with your cardio. Time to work harder. I got a plan. Do this instead. Screw the treadmills and ellipticals and all that bullshit. Unless you're scared. Ain't nobody. You ain't scared. 1, 2, 3, because we fearless. 4, 5, 6, Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, come on. Oh. 5 minutes left. It's kicking my ass. I feel like my heart's gonna jump out of my chest. Yeah, that last one sucked. Fuck. So, you want to burn fat? You want to get crazy ripped? You got to step up your game. Something like this is easy. Grab a 50-pound dumbbell, grab a lighter dumbbell, grab any type of weight in your hand, and you can do it. It's awesome. You got to try it out. It's a great way to get your cardio in and get a little leg workout at the same time. Let me know how you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see some more videos like this with cardio in and whatever body part that you want to work on. Send them to the comments underneath. And also, let me know your scores. I got 80 on the dumbbell front squats with 50 pounds, 70 burpees in within 10 minutes. Beat that if you can. Awesome. More power to you. I want you guys to go ahead and try it out. Here's the thing. I don't care if you beat it or not. Guys, the only thing I want you guys to do is just try it out. Try it out for one time, 10 minutes, grab the weight and just go. It don't matter if you get in 20 or 30, doesn't matter. Just as long as you gave it a shot, that's all it takes. That shows that you got no fear in you and that you're willing to go ahead and take action. You do that, you're gonna get in shape. So, don't forget that. Sixpackshortcuts.com for workouts and nutrition. Check it out and I will be there. Let's get you ripped for the summer. Peace out, guys.